Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the wonderful Pacific Northwest in that humble little town of Belfair, Washington, or Hickville, USA, as I love to call where I live. So welcome to my channel, everybody. This is February 2026 Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 15, guys. So I'm supposed to be inside. My phone is like literally got like 25%. I'm hoping this video records. We'll find out. If not, well, I'll show it to you in the review and tell you this is the one that didn't work out. But this card just kind of fell to being, it's a cute, quick, simple little card. So let's get into it. So this kit is called, of course, Celebrate Spring. You could have made 9 cards total, 3, 3, and 3. In the envelopes, they were white just with this little bit of print on the flap. This QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. There's a visual of everything that comes in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Videos 1 through 5, I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just kind of move along. This one down here would lead you to the add-on dies called the Beautiful Bloom dies. These will coordinate with January, February, and March of 2026 Paper Pumpkin. And our stamps are Sweet Spring Greetings, the Easter eggs, the grass, Happy Easter, and Hello Friend. So yes, I'm trying to go through it so I can get this video made, and hopefully it works. So I have a white envelope, a white card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and layer number 1 is Azure Afternoon. Surprise, surprise. I tell you, those coordinating colors are just a suggestion. You can bring in other colors. So this layer number 1 is 4 1/4 by 5.5. Now I have layer number 2 is 1/2 of a card base cut down to 4 by 5 1/4. And we are simply going to glue that down to layer number 1. This will be a landscape card. Real simple little layout. And I am using that Ephemera pack from the mini catalog. I'm sure you see my little Easter bunny there. And we're just going to do oh, I should not have done it. Oh, well, we're going to stamp directly onto this. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, it doesn't, because it's too late to change my mind now. So right here, right now, make sure I'm opening the card the right way. I have Springtime Greetings, and that's because I've been using this February 2024 stamp set from Paper Pumpkin quite a bit. And I am going to use Azure Afternoon. Now this little card base has a little bit of balmy blue, but I want Azure Afternoon to tie in with the ephemera pieces I'm using, which are some blue Easter eggs. So I want to stamp Springtime Greetings right here. Just going to give it a minute. Perfect. And it shows up. I knew it would be a nice bright blue. It would show up on our front of our card. So now I'm going to open it up and I'm going to grab the large sentiment Sweet Spring Greetings, and I'm going to stamp that as well on the inside. And then from Easter Friends, my large Happy Easter, I'm going to stamp underneath this one. So I have double greetings on the inside. All right, let's go ahead and do our envelope, which we could do the Hello Friend, and then, oops, not on the envelope flap, right here, and then an Easter egg. And yes, I'm using my favorite Easter egg. Now I'm going to stamp it here, full strength, and then take it and stamp it on top there. So all the stamping is done. I can close up this ink pad. I'm going to stick it back in its carousel there. And then I'm going to show you my ephemera pieces from the add-on pack, from the ephemera pack. So this is what I'm using. And I've even got my gems here, my bling. Let me get my card. So I already put dimensionals on here. So I'm going to glue my Easter basket to this large Easter egg by using the dimensionals here. Oops. Just going to stick that Easter egg to the back of my basket, like so. Now I'm going to add some glue to the back of just the Easter egg. I'm going to pop that down like so on the left hand side. And then my Easter bunny, I only put dimensionals on the right hand side because he'll be tacked down with a little bit of glue on the left. So he's going to go right here, and I can see that I just need to put glue here, and it looks like right there. That's how quick that card is. I mean, can't get much more simpler than that. That, like I said, it just kind of fell to being, and I was like, oh yeah, we can do this. Vacuum up all those little bits there. Thank you very, 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 very much, Kathy. And we're going to put some blue little rhinestones in here. We're going to do our Easter eggs. And a little bit on our bunny. All right. It's always like, what do I do? Oh, I like this one in the center of the white flower. Let's do that up here. And then do I want to do this little one? No, I want this one. But the backing of this one is askew. So let's fold it back over. And I think we'll go... I wonder if we just do a yellow one in there. Who says I have to use? I don't have to use all the same colors if I don't want to. We're going to use this one in the pink one. Look at that. And you don't need one behind there. Oh, that makes me happy. That makes me happy. So that is how quick and easy this little card came out. And look at all those fun colors. That works. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope to see you all again soon in my Wonderland. And I hope this video worked. We'll find out. If not, you'll just see it and I'll tell you it didn't work because I can't make it again. Anyways, bye-bye for now for everyone.